Okay, guys. I'm sorry I'm not with you today. My son is sick, so that's why I'm not present. So you guys have Mrs. Wrinkle. Um, so in this next unit, we're talking about growing things in different ways, and one of the things that we're going to review is the idea of percentages, and just trying to figure out what a percentage is based off a decimal. And when I look at a decimal, I can always rewrite a decimal as a percent when I move my decimal 2 spots to the right. 1, 2. That means my decimal's right there. So that's the same thing as 3%. We'll do this one too. I'm going to move this decimal 2 spots to the right. 1, 2. And I get my decimal to be 5%. If I look at this one right here, I'm going to move it 1, 2. And it looks like I got that one to be 51%. I'm going to ask you guys to try 4, 5, and 6 in a second. But what I want to do is jump ahead, and I want to look at 71%, and I want to rewrite that as a decimal. So if I look at 71, my decimal's right here. So when I take a percentage, instead of me going to the right, I'm going to go to the left. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So 71% is the same thing as 0.71. Do this one too. My decimal's right here. I'm going to move 2 spots to the left. 1, 2. And I get my decimal to be 0.97. If I look at this one, I have 0.2. I'm going to move 1 spot, 2 spots. And I'm going to fill in my open spots with 0. So this is the same thing as 0.002. What I'm going to ask you guys to do is I'm going to ask you guys to try 4 through 6, 9, 11, and 12. And in the next video, I will show you guys the answers.